Kalispera kiriskikiri. Today we have a shrimp dish with a few ingredients and a lot of flavor. We begin with 2 garlic cloves. Squish them and start chopping them up into little pieces. When I make this dish, I always make it extra saucy. I love the way the tomato sauce soaks in all the flavors from the shrimp, the garlic, and the feta. I always eat at least half a loaf of bread with this dish. Just dipping it into the sauce and eating it is incredible. Now we want 1/4 of an onion chopped up. Adding the onions to this recipe doesn't add a lot of flavor. It just sweetens up a bit the sauce. Now that we chopped up the onions, let's put it in a bowl and grab the feta cheese. I really love feta cheese. We're going to need a nice piece of feta cheese and chop it up into pieces. Don't worry how you're going to chop up the feta. Just chop it up into pieces. I'm going to use 7 large shrimps for this recipe. We're going to need a pan, medium to high heat. Add some olive oil. We add the garlic and we cook it for around 15 seconds. Now we add the onions. We want to cook the garlic and the onions together for around 30 seconds. And now we add the shrimp. We're going to want to cook the shrimp on each side for around 20 to 30 seconds. Let's add some pepper. And some salt. After cooking the shrimp for 20 to 30 seconds on both sides, it's time to add the tomato sauce. This is the first time I'm using this tomato sauce brand, and the tomato sauce looks quite thick, so I'm not going to add it all. I'm gonna add a bit of water to thin out the tomato sauce. If you see that your tomato sauce is quite thick, add a bit of water as well. Let's add a bit more salt. And some pepper. We're gonna cook the shrimp in the tomato sauce for around 20 seconds on both sides. As soon as you're done cooking the shrimp on both sides, it's time to add the feta. Just toss the feta into the pan, mix it around with the sauce, and let it start melting slowly. Now at the end, we add a nice pinch of oregano, mix it around, turn off the fire, and we're ready to serve. And if you love dipping bread into sauces, like I said, you're going to love this sauce. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!